Spring has arrived in Brock, Texas, and it's time for HVAC systems to shine. If weak airflow, strange noises, or inconsistent temperatures are making an appearance, it's a sign to take action. These symptoms could mean your HVAC system needs professional repair. Ignoring them might lead to skyrocketing energy bills and bigger issues later on. At AC Works, the team specializes in diagnosing and fixing HVAC problems quickly and efficiently. With experienced technicians ready to tackle any issue, restoring comfort to homes is the priority. Don't wait for a complete breakdown to take action. Reach out to AC Works today for reliable HVAC services and ensure your home stays cool and comfortable all spring long. Call now and experience the difference.